Hi there. Now, today it's time for number 6 in our series of Conversation English for Coaching English Facebook. Today we're going to look at everything surrounding food. What we like to eat, where we like to go to eat, what type of food, and other things like this. So please listen carefully to our first conversation.
What do you like to eat?
I like to eat steak and cheese. How about you?
I like to eat salad and fruit.
And now we're going to talk about what type of food, which means from what country or style of food that you like.
What type of food do you like?
My favorite type of food is Japanese. What's your favorite?
I like Indian food.
Next, we're going to talk about the fruit that you like. Not food, fruit.
What fruit do you like?
I like to eat grapefruit and passion fruit. What do you like?
I prefer green apples and strawberries.
And after fruit, we're going to talk about vegetables that we like.
What vegetables do you like?
I like nearly all vegetables, but especially carrots and zucchini. And you?
I love vegetables. I'm a vegetarian.
Next, we're going to talk about desserts. Desserts are usually sweet and we eat them at the end of meals.
What is your favorite dessert?
I really love tiramisu, the Italian dessert.
I like sambar, a dessert from India made with tofu.
Now, we're going to talk about what your favorite dish is. Which meal that you like to eat the most.
What's your favorite dish?
I really like many dishes, but my favorite is a plate of mixed sushi. And yours?
I love baked cauliflower.
And lastly, to conclude this episode, we're going to talk about our favorite restaurants, places where we like to go out to eat.
Finally, what's your favorite restaurant?
There are many good restaurants, but my favorites would be Italian, Japanese, or even Northeastern Thai restaurants.
That's a great variety. Obviously, I prefer Indian or Thai vegan restaurants. Don't forget to follow us on Coaching English Facebook page, like our videos, and message us with any information you would like. And we also have online English courses.